Hello, friends. I'm Kosser from KM Unlocker. Here's my device in hand, Xiaomi 14 Ultra today. This is a Chinese device. I've installed the global ROM already. ROM name is Hypertn. This ROM is called Hypertn. See, the Play Store here is officially certified. Yes, certified. Now, you can also easily use all kinds of apps here. Phone must be unlocked. Bootloader unlocked. See, I'm showing you. I'm clicking on the version to turn on developer options and checking here to show you that my device's bootloader is unlocked. My bootloader is unlocked. Unlock your bootloader to install this ROM and switch from China to global. Now works on my PC. First, boot phone to fastboot. See, powered off already. After powering off, use computer USB cable to boot phone into fastboot mode. I'll hold down the minus button here and plug in the cable. Look, I held down minus and connected the USB cable here. Watch. It enters fastboot mode now. Right here. Look at my computer screen. Look at screen. I've created a folder here. Xiaomi 14 Ultra Global ROM. After opening this folder, the that's here. This is the ROM. Hypertn. I'll update the ROM now. First, unzip the ROM here. Unzipped now. Watch as I use the tool. Device unlocked via CMD. Check if device is in fastboot mode now. Here's fastboot. Fastboot devices. Gee, the fastboot device is there. And fastboot get ball. Product name Nezha. Device unlocked now. Bootloader is definitely unlocked too, shown. Now I'll install the ROM. It's unzipped already. So open its folder. Once inside, this is a paid ROM. Get it activated by developer. Now in Hypertn, click the TN flash here to open it. After opening, it checks here if it's compatible with my device. It shows compatible now. Tapping format data wipes the device. So I choose keep data instead. Press 2. I'm not formatting. Press enter and it starts flashing now. Now the super file will load here. 20 super files in total. These super files will load in one by one. See, the device is booting. Bootloader unlock screen still shows. Just the key. There, the device has booted up. Check if version changed. Open device about. Device version 3.4, earlier 3.3, OS version 1.0.3.0.5. Thank you, viewers.